Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP on a Sunday. I'm so sorry, I completely forgot to do this video for you guys on Sunday. But today we are making this really fun pinwheel card. I did make this card a while ago on my channel, but I thought I would redo it in case you have not seen it yet. It's a really fun card technique. So to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that at 4 1/4. Then go ahead and crease it with your bone folder so that piece lays flat. Then you'll need 2 pieces of white. They both measure 4 by 5 1/4. One's for the inside, the other's for the outside. I did take it to my big shot and I did do embossing on the front. And then I just used a dotted folder. The same color cardstock, you will need 2 pieces. These both measure 2 5/8 by 2 5/8. You'll need 8 pieces of a pattern paper. You'll need 4 of one color and 4 of another pattern. And these all measure 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. So if you have double-sided paper, you would just need 8, or you can do 4 and 4. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take this piece and this piece, and you're going to glue these together like that. Okay, and I'm just going to use my art glitter glue for this. Okay, then just go ahead and glue those together, trying to get them straight, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put glue on these, but you want to only put glue on one half and then adhere them down. And I'm just going to use my tape glider here. Hopefully there's enough tape in here. So I'm just gluing on one half, so this part here has no adhesive. And I'm putting the adhesive side toward the top. See this little corner here? That's where I'm going to put the adhesive. And you want to leave like a little border around all the pieces. And the next piece we're going to flip. So I'm going to put glue on this side. And again, I have the adhesive towards the top. Okay. We're just going to keep on working our way around this whole piece, making sure you're leaving that small little border so you're able to see the color of the cardstock below that. This is a really fun card, and it just changes the look of the card dramatically depending on what kind of paper you're going to use. Again, I have the adhesive toward the top, leaving a little border. Oh, we need to glue that side. I'm trying to find my adhesive there. Okay, so keep on going. I don't really think it matters where you put the adhesive, but you only want to glue half of it down because this last piece is tricky because we need to get under here. Okay, so I'm going to go and flip it over, put glue on this one. So the last piece, you want to go, where am I going? Oh, on top of this one, but under the first one that we did. So try to get that in there. Lining it up on the edges the best you can. Okay, that's what that looks like. Now, I'm going to add some foam squares to the back of that. Plus I like how it's not all the way down. It gives it a 3D look to it too. And I'm just going to use 5. All the corners and then one in the middle. I think is fine for that. Oh, did you hear my belly growl? I apologize if you did. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and glue the front on. Well, before I do that, I'm going to attach some yarn. See, I have some yarn here. I already have this. This is just regular yarn. I wanted to use the yarn versus twine because the yarn was thicker, and I think you would see it because it's white on white. So I'm taking a little bit of washi tape on the back of this. And I'm going to just put this on the back of my piece here to hold that down. Then wrap. I don't want to go too high. I want to have it be more bunched up on this side. So I'm going to go over, have it come out a little bit on that side, bring it closer over here. Maybe do, I think 3 wraps is fine. I'm going to flip it over and then put washi tape on this side to hold that down. Go ahead and cut that off. Then I'm going to take the rest of this and tie this into a little bow. I like using yarn. It's a lot cheaper than twine, and you can even get it at the Dollar Tree, and you get so much more yarn than you would twine. You can also color it. I've done that before too. Just take a marker, like a permanent marker, and just dab it so it looks like multicolored twine or multicolored yarn. Alright, go ahead and take my scissors, cut those off. I'm going to fix that loop. It's a tad bit too big. I don't want the loops to be ginormous. Okay, flip it over. Take our adhesive, and I do have a card kit available for this card as well. I will show you that in a minute. Alright, so make sure I'm on the right side. Put this down. I do really like the embossed look with this type of card. Alright, so we're going to give all these a squish, take the backing off. Then we're going to add our greeting, our sentiment for the front. And also stamp the inside as well. I already got that one off. Okay. I'm going to put this on the center. Isn't that pretty? It's actually a pretty card. Alright, I also have a button. The color cardstock I'm using is Stampin' Up's Rich Razzleberry, and I happen to have a few buttons of that color as well. So I just put some twine, or the same yarn, in there. But the yarn is like 4 strands, and I just broke it in 2, so it wasn't so thick to go through my button. Right, so there's that one. Let's do the inside. The stamps that I'm using is one of Stamps of Life. I'm using Spring is in the Air and also this small flower. And I'm using Rich Razzleberry ink, which is right over here. Alright, I'm going to ink that up. I'm going to stamp off real quick. And a piece of scrap. Okay, just stamp that down there. I'm going to flip that over. Just, it doesn't match I chose the flower because my pattern paper had flowers in it. You can pretty much do anything in there or leave it blank. But I do like adding some color to the inside of the card as well versus just a plain white. Alright, so that's going to go in there. So the inside is done. Then for the front, I have this piece here, the same color cardstock. This is 3/4 of an inch by 2 3/4. This is a 1/2 inch by 2 1/2. I'm going to glue these together, and we're going to pop these up. Just layer them together. Okay, I'm going to flip them over, and again, just use 3. You don't need a whole lot here. Okay, so to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below saying you want the card kit. So you don't even have to do an emoji today. Just say you want the card kit and I'll pick a winner. Alright, that's going to go right there. And this is the card kit. So you get everything that I used, including that button. I did put twine already in the button, and just in case you did not have a needle to go through there. Also the envelope. Alright, so there is the card. How fun, right? And so easy, and I just love that look. And there's the inside there. Then we have this one here. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. And again, I do apologize doing a Pinterest project on a Sunday, but I completely forgot about it. You'll also see a pond video later on today as well. Alright, I'm going to let you guys go. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.